In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Family Share. If you want trusted people in your life to access games from your library without buying them again, this walkthrough will guide you through a simple, secure setup. First, open Steam on your computer. When the client is up, look to the very top left corner for the Steam menu. Click it, then choose Settings. This opens the main control panel where you manage important features, from your account to app preferences, and it's exactly where we need to be. Inside Settings, find and click the Family section. This is where all the sharing options live and where you'll create and manage your group. You'll see an option that lets you start a new family group right from here. Click Create a Family. Steam will prepare a private space that keeps everything organized. Right away, you'll be asked to name your family group. Pick a clear, recognizable name, something everyone you plan to invite will instantly know is yours. A good name helps avoid confusion, especially if your friends see multiple group invitations. With the name set, choose Invite Member. This opens a list of people from your existing Steam friends. Only friends appear here, so the folks you want to include must already be on your friends list. From the list, select the friends you want to invite. Take a moment to double-check you've picked the right accounts, since these invitations grant access to shareable parts of your library according to Steam's rules and availability. After you send the invites, your friends will see a notification in Steam. They simply accept the invite on their end to join your family group. Once they accept, the connection is established, and they can benefit from family share within the limit Steam sets, like eligibility of specific titles and simultaneous play rules. No passwords or credentials need to be exchanged. Keep your login private at all times. That's the whole setup. Open Steam, go to Settings, head into Family, create a family, name it, invite members, choose them from your friends list, and they accept. If anything looks different on your screen, make sure your Steam client is up to date and that you're on the correct account. You can always come back to the Family section later to see your group and keep track of invitations. Thanks for watching. Pause and follow along as needed, and you'll have Steam Family Share running smoothly in no time.